Have you ever watched a video on Facebook or Instagram where Cristiano Ronaldo greets you or wishes you a happy birthday? Well, I'm sorry to break it to you, but it's not actually Cristiano Ronaldo speaking to you.
Thanks to artificial intelligence, you can create these audio messages with various voices, and the process is surprisingly easy. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Kits AI and click on the first result. Next, click on Sign In and continue with your Google account. You'll need to sign in with a Google account you've created. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Community section. You'll find several voice options to choose from. For this example, I'm going to select Cristiano Ronaldo's voice. At this point, you'll have two options. You can either add an audio file or record a new audio. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to record a new audio. The system will start recording your voice, and when you're done recording, click on the Convert button. The processing time may vary, but it usually takes a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the audio effect is ready, you can download the file or share it on different social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content.